Welcome to Cowboy Slots Game Reviews, where we break down and review games based on these categories: visual appearance, sounds, fun factor, value for the money, and of course, volatility. We're going to play these games and give you our honest opinion based on technical experience working with slot machines. Be sure to check out our channel for tech based tips on how to better your slot play, other reviews, and so much more. Know more about the games before you play with Cowboy Slots. Let's get started.
All right, welcome back to Cowboy Slots. My name is Mark, and we got another game review for you today. We're going to play the new Wizard of Oz, Over the Rainbow. Wizard of Oz has been a very popular title. It's been around for a very long time. They keep kind of like the Willy Wonka and those kind of themes. They keep coming out with new versions of it, and this just happens to be the newest one that's hit the floor. So we're going to walk through the game rules here real quick, and then we're going to do some play and then do a review. And what we're looking for are things like entertainment value, value for your money, sound, excitement, video, all that kind of stuff. You know, all the things that you want to look for when playing a slot machine. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at the game rules, and then we'll jump into some play, and we'll do a review at the end. All right, let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so before we get started on this game, just a heads up, we are in Las Vegas right now, and unfortunately the recording rules are a little stricter, which means I can't use a tripod, we can't do the dual camera setup or anything fancy like that, but we still wanted to get some game reviews out for you guys, so I'm just going to hold it in my hand and try to keep it as steady as possible. And anyway, we're going to jump in and play here. Now there's a lot of bet options here, as you can see, kind of ranging from 75 all the way up to 600. And we're I think gonna go in the middle of the road here. Let's do the 225 bet, just kind of play the game out and see how it plays. Because we're mostly just evaluating the gameplay and not necessarily if we're gonna win or not. And we want to try to make our bankroll last as long as possible. All right, guys, this is Wizard of Oz. All right, let's get started. So that adds to a must hit buy up here. So that balloon can go at any time, but it has to go before it hits $100. It's currently at $30. Hopefully get to see the bonus so you guys can see what it's about. Alright, one more. Of course not, right? That'd be too easy. Increase it a little bit, maybe like 20 cents. So it does go pretty slow. up to $33.99. Well, at least it wasn't the fourth and fifth reel, right? And as you guys can probably tell so far, this does have the lock and hold feature with the hearts. The balloon is up to $34.50 now. Our biggest win so far. So if you get enough hearts on the screen, I think it's 8, then you get to collect all the hearts. As we're seeing so far, it's very difficult to get the bonus on this one. I'm not too surprised, to be honest. We got a reset. Alright, and we are out of money for a bet. We'll do the wager saver, see what happens. we are at 0. I tell you what, let's put another 100 in just to see if we can get a bonus, but we're not going to push it past that, so hang tight for a second. Alright, let's resume here. Balloons up to $35.59. Definitely not something worth chasing at all. Alright, getting down to the wire here, guys. backup spin real quick. Alright, so we got the balloon up to about $40.88, and we'll start the review right here, and we'll let you know what I thought about it. Alright, let's get going. Guys, that was Wizard of Oz, the Over the Rainbow version. So this is the brand new one that's come out probably about 6 months ago, I think. But anyway, you know, it was a lot of fun. The entertainment value is definitely there. Games like these usually are built to be very entertaining. The bonus was very exciting. I'm glad we were able to get it. It's really cool that each of the different characters gives you some kind of benefit inside of the bonus. It'd be fun to play the bonus more to see what all the different characters will do to, you know, increase your bonus chances, multipliers, things like that. But anyway, guys, you got to remember on these games that they're always going to be pretty high in volatility, and that's mainly because they're, you know, based off a movie or licensed TV games, things like that. They're meant to bring you in to play for the entertainment value more than trying to make money or anything like that. So would I recommend playing this game? Yeah, if you're really in it for the fun and maybe you're up on your luck because you've been playing some of the lower machines and you've done well, and this is something that you've always wanted to play, to kind of sit down and try your luck at. If you do really want to play it and you don't have a good bankroll, make sure you decide what you're going to do before you sit down and start playing this game. You know, say, you know, I'll play 20 spins and see what happens. But don't chase the bonus, and definitely don't chase this balloon, because that's not worth it. It goes up very slow, and you only get $100 from it, so it's not worth chasing at all. So, all right, guys, well, that was my review of Wizard of Oz Over the Rainbow. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks so much for watching. Check out these other videos and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more slot tips. It's always free. Visit ropethejackpot.com for free guides and a whole lot more. Catch you on the next episode.